This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Derek Baumgartner. Tenant occupied through February 28. Large 3-bed 2-bath plus den/office 2-car garage screen enclosed pool/spa home in Rocky Point. New impact windows and sliding glass doors. Deeded access to Rocky Point Estates boat ramp, park with pavilion and fishing pier. Renovated with 36 white shaker kitchen cabinets, granite counters, and stainless steel appliances. Split bedroom floor plan, walk-in closets, high ceilings, fireplace, large covered screen patio. Bring your toys, massive driveway to store your boat, RV or trailer. Lawn and pool service included. Tenant responsible for water softener/filter service. First, last and security equal to 1 month each. $25 per adult background credit check, $500 non-refundable pet deposit. $75 brokerage fee. For more information, review the details below or contact Derek Baumgartner at 772-283-2800.